Understanding, fallen off the radar. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, fallen off the radar. This expression is widely used, but what does it actually mean? Let's explore this together and make it crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the phrase but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. Fallen off the radar refers to something or someone that has become unnoticed or forgotten, especially after previously being well-known or significant. The phrase originally comes from military and aviation contexts, where radar is used to detect and track objects. When an object falls off the radar, it means the radar can no longer detect it. In everyday language, it's used metaphorically to describe situations where someone or something has lost visibility or importance in the eyes of others. To help you grasp the concept better, let's go through some examples. 1. A former celebrity. Imagine a celebrity who was once in every headline but now is rarely mentioned in the media. You could say, the actor has really fallen off the radar in recent years. 2. A personal connection. If a friend you used to speak to daily suddenly stops keeping in touch, you might explain to another friend, I don't know what happened to Jake. He's completely fallen off the radar. 3. Technology or trends. When discussing technology, a once popular device or app that's no longer in use could be described as having fallen off the radar, as newer technologies take its place. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations to describe disappearance from public attention or personal awareness. Now that you understand what it means and have seen some examples, how can you start using this phrase yourself? Here are a few tips. Use it to describe absence or neglect. It's perfect for situations where something or someone was once noticeable but is now missing or ignored. Combine it with reasons or explanations. You can often follow up the phrase with a reason to provide more context, like, she's fallen off the radar because she's been focusing on her family. Remember, the phrase is quite versatile and can be used in both informal conversations and more formal discussions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, fallen off the radar. I hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily English. Remember, learning phrases like this not only helps you understand native speakers better but also enriches your own language skills, making your conversations more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.